programming in the variables. The test variable, we stated from our null hypothesis, is self-esteem. So I need to scroll down to the end of this list. These are the questions in the middle, and they've been summed, I guess, and I've got to find total self-esteem. Grab it and drop it into the test variable. So we're testing total self-esteem. We need to then choose how we're going to group these together. We can only choose two groups and the grouping variable. I need to, say, choose the sex variable and drop it into the grouping variable. But now we've got question mark, question mark. So that's right at the top of the list. Fortunately, they tend to be like this, I guess. Now, it doesn't know, the computer's a bit silly, it doesn't know that there are only two in our variable, and it doesn't know what they are. They could be 2, they could be 4, they could be 10. So we have to always define groups in this test. We didn't have to in the one sample t-test, but in this one we do. It's saying we've got group 1 and group 2, no space for group 3, it doesn't allow it. We have to key in the numbers for our groups. I've got the males, which are given a value of 1, and the females that are given a value of 2. And I have to program them in. If I had age group 4, I'd have to have group number 2 is 4 in that list. We have to pick and choose two groups to compare. Click continue. You see it's comparing group number 1 and group number 2 together. I always like to have a poke around at the options, just in case I'm missing something. 95%. What it does with missing values, excellent. Continue and OK is all we have to do. It's deceptively simple, isn't it, to perform a t-test analysis in SPSS. Here we go. So we've got 183 males, 252 females. We double check that with our brains to see that we haven't been selecting cases, because we saw that a few weeks ago now. Sometimes easy to forget that we've got selected cases switched on. So we always check the n value, because it's so easy to miss, isn't it? If suddenly n is down to 30, you might not see it in our results. So we always check the n. So here we can see we've got a mean value for self-esteem for males of 34, and a mean value for females of 33.17. So immediately I'm thinking there's not a big difference between them. But if we've got lots of samples, which we have, that might be significant. Might be a small difference, but we might find that with large sample sizes. Excellent. So let's scroll down and have a look at the independent samples test and what we've got.
Mean 1. Yeah.
What's the first thing that we should look for in this result? So we've got lots of results given to us. What's the first thing we should look at? Then we've got T, and we've got the significance value, so I scroll across on a small monitor. And we've got the sig values.